Hey there, fellow productivity rockstars. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an absolute game changer that's going to revolutionize your workspace, the 185 portable dual monitor. Can you believe this beast is available for under $200? That's right, folks, we're talking about a top-notch dual monitor setup that's packed with features and specs that would normally cost twice as much. And let me tell you, it's worth every penny. First off, let's talk about the plug-and-play setup. This thing is so easy to use, even my grandma could do it. Simply connect your device using a single Type-C cable, and voila, you've got a seamless dual-screen display. The only tip I have is to make sure you're plugging in the power supply for optimal performance. Now, when it comes to productivity, this monitor delivers big time. You get independent multitasking support, which means you can work on two separate projects simultaneously without any distractions. And with a unique dual-device connection capability, you can even collaborate with colleagues or partners while each of you operates your own device on separate screens. It's like having an extra brain in the room. But what really sets this monitor apart is its smooth performance. With a 100 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, you get lag-free visuals that are compatible with both Windows and macOS systems. That means you can switch between devices seamlessly without any hitch. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the screen quality? Well, let me tell you, this monitor's got it covered. With a 1920x1080p FHD display that features 75% sRGB color gamut, 16.7M colors, and 6485K natural color temperature, you get vivid, true-to-life imagery that'll make your eyes happy. And don't even get me started on the ergonomic design. This monitor's stacked dual setup is space-saving and reduces scrolling and page switching, which means less eye strain and neck tension for you. Plus, with an 18.5-inch CNC-built workspace, it looks sleek and modern while still being durable enough to withstand daily use. But here's the best part, this monitor's versatile folding design lets you collaborate effortlessly with 0 to 360-degree screen rotation. It's perfect for sharing content with colleagues or partners, and the built-in gravity sensors enable automatic rotation in 180 degrees modes, so whether you need multi-screen synchronization or independent displays, this monitor adapts to your workflow. And finally, let's talk about ergonomics. Sorry, had to. With an adjustable stand that offers flexible tilting, swiveling, and pivoting, you can find your ideal viewing position. Plus, with VESA mount support, you can mount the monitor on a wall, monitor arm, or any VESA-compatible system, ideal for saving desk space or building a customized multi-monitor setup. Last but not least, let's talk about audio. This monitor comes with built-in speakers that deliver clear, integrated sound without needing external devices. And with an 1200:1 contrast ratio and 178 degrees wide viewing angles, every detail is sharp and visible from nearly any position, perfect for both work and entertainment. So there you have it, folks. The 185 portable dual monitor is a powerhouse of productivity, ergonomics, and design that's worth every penny of its unbeatable price. And if you want to get your hands on one, click the link below to check out the best deals. Trust me, you won't regret it.